Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Bollywood Couch, and I'm your host and host, Krishna. Thank you so much for joining us live. First of all, I would love to thank our associate partners. Our associate partners are PR partner Expansion PR Digital, food partner IndieFair, clothing partner Truly Mithila, education partner SSS Academy, beauty partner Vedi, community partner V, and food partner Machi. So, ladies and gentlemen, today our guest is a very talented actor, choreographer, and dancer from Bollywood film industry. He started off his career as a dancer, participating in many more dance reality shows. But later on, he was featured in several popular TV shows like Dil Dosti Dance, Ek Divana Tha, Dosti Yariya Man Marziya, and feature film like Happy New Year with Shah Rukh Khan, Happy Bhag Jayegi, and many more. Yes, he's none other than Jason Tham. Let's welcome him to the show. Hi, Jason, are you there? Okay, I'm adding him. Will you type a hi here so that I can add you? Hi, Jason, will you type a hi here so that I can add you? Hi, Jason. Uh, will you type a hi here? I couldn't see you. Yeah, he's coming live now. Just a second. Hi. Hi, Jason. Could you see me? Yeah. Hi, Jason. Welcome to Bollywood. Yes, finally audible. Yeah. There are some network issues. Okay, in slow. Hi, welcome to Bollywood Couch. Hi, Jason. Could you hear me? Yeah. Hi. But there are some network issues because it's very slow. Hi. Could you hear me? Yeah. So, how is your Sunday going? Yeah. Yeah. But I don't know. The video is not playing. It's like scrolling. It's I can hear you properly, but video, I think it will take little time. It get disconnected again. Okay. I'll have to try it again. Jason, will you send me type something here? I'll have to add you again. Yeah. Invite. Oh, yeah.
Is it
Finally, I
better?
can.
Is it
Yeah,
better?
now it's better.
Hi,
So,
Krishna.
yeah, hi. You're looking smart.
Oh, thanks. You're looking pretty.
Uh, Thank you so much. So, how is your Sunday going?
Um, Good. I had a shoot in Bombay and then I came back to Delhi.
Okay,
I came to meet my folks, my mom, dad, my sister,
okay,
and yeah, and right now I'm here for some time.
okay. Say hi to all of them, to your family members from our Bollywood couch,
Yes, yes, I'll do.
and so let's begin.
Yeah,
And
for sure.
my first question is, please tell us about your journey to Bollywood, like from dance to acting. How did happen? All did like.
Okay. So I got done with school by 2008, and by 2009, I started with my college, and I started dancing then.
Okay,
My majors was finance and accounts, and my dad always wanted me to be in some corporate job. I even
okay,
tried doing a corporate job in between for like 9 to 10
mhm,
months, but
okay,
it did not work for me because I was not meant for it. And
Okay.
yeah, I started dancing, and it was very weird because my dad used to tell me, ki, I
Hmm.
hope this is just for fun. I hope this is just for fun, right? मैं कहा, हाँ, हाँ, obviously this is for fun.
Yeah, you're not taking
ये
it
तो है.
seriously, just
No,
fun.
no,
Okay.
obviously. Like how all idiot children
And you
go.
were thinking something else, like in your head,
हाँ,
it
मतलब
was like
I had no,
there is some.
yeah,
Yeah.
I had no plans of like taking this as a career also. I was just thinking कि हाँ रे
Mm-hmm.
हाँ, I'm also having fun. I'm going for competitions. I'm winning a lot of competitions, and
Okay.
like okay, I'm working in shows and all, so
Hmm.
and I'm earning money
Hmm.
also. So why not just take it to a next step? You know what I mean? Like चलो हम लोग
Yeah.
एक शो आ रहा है जस्ट डांस करके 2011
हाँ.
में हमने सोचा कि
Mm-hmm.
let's participate in
Try
that.
वहाँ पे try किया जाए. Okay.
Yes, तो गया मैं and
And how was
I
your audition? क्या हुआ था, like first
so
audition जो?
I was super scared, huh? Super scared.
Hmm.
Farah Khan was there
Mm-hmm.
to judge, and
Mm-hmm.
Farah Khan and Web V Merchant that time. They were judging
Okay.
the whole show. So मैं
हाँ.
गया and I did a piece, English piece में I
Hmm.
danced, and they
Hmm.
really loved it, and they said कि अरे यार कितना cute है and all that वगैरह वगैरह and this and that and all, and I went through the round.
Okay.
This was the
Yeah.
Bombay round. And
Mm-hmm.
from there my journey started as a dancer. um,
Okay.
I went through a lot of rounds, and but before
Mm-hmm.
top 12 I got out. तो
Okay.
मैंने कहा चलो कोई बात नहीं. But
Mm-hmm.
on the same hand, I was getting a lot of recognition.
Mm-hmm.
I was featured in a lot of papers that
Mm-hmm.
a guy from Delhi, Chinese guy from
Mm-hmm.
Delhi, who's doing this and all,
Okay.
and doing really proud. And
Yeah.
there's a small community in Calcutta also, a Chinese community
हाँ.
in Calcutta.
Yeah.
They were also really proud of it, and I
हाँ.
was called there to do shows and different shows in general.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, well, it's not that bad. I mean, like
Yeah.
with all the fame and
Yeah,
all
you
the
got all the
yeah,
fame and people's affection,
yeah,
attention,
yeah,
everything.
yeah,
No? It changes
yes,
your mind somewhere. Like,
yeah.
this is the
I was
thing I
like,
want to do.
yes, that is somewhere it just like कि
Yeah,
यार ये तो करना चाहिए. So my
करना
dad also
चाहिए.
felt, yeah, my dad was like
You
चलो
never
do
realize
this.
before something like ऐसा कुछ start होगा तो ही दिमाग में आते हैं, अरे ये तो बहुत
हाँ,
इंटरेस्टिंग है, दुनिया
yeah,
बदल रहा है.
हाँ. And plus, when you're getting results out of it, that is
Yeah.
even more better. So my dad was
Yes.
also thinking कि यार, okay, chalo,
Hmm.
let's give it a go types. His mindset
Mm-hmm.
changed. I said, let me just
Mm-hmm.
go to Bombay and let me finish my college first. मैंने college खत्म किया
Okay.
2011, तो because
But
that is
दिमाग
very
में था
important.
कि I should go to Mumbai and try my luck, kind of.
कहीं
जैसे
कहीं
यहाँ पे
था बीच में,
कहीं
हाँ,
कहीं ये
कहीं कहीं
कीड़ा
था
घुस
because
गया
every
था.
हाँ घुस गया था 100% because
Okay. हाँ.
for good 6 months or 5 months, no, for
हम्म.
good 3-4 months I was in Bombay because of that show,
हाँ.
and I kind of
Yeah.
liked that city. और
हम्म.
मैंने बोला यार चलो एक ट्राई मारते यार. तो
हाँ.
पूरा गट्स वर्ट्स लाने के लिए मुझे एटलीस्ट 1.5 years लगे
Okay.
to actually shift the whole base. और
हम्म.
मैं गया फिर बॉम्बे 2013 then with my
हम्म.
then ex girlfriend. और
हम्म.
आते ही my friend was staying in Bombay, Sanam Johar.
Okay.
He's
Yeah.
also a choreographer. तो
Okay.
हम लोग रहते थे जुहू के एक अपार्टमेंट में. एक ही कमरा था, और
हम्म.
एक कमरे में हम लोग 7 लोग थे.
Oh God,
और
मतलब बॉम्बे स्ट्रगल्स चालू हो गया
full on
स्ट्रगल
मतलब
डेज.
या
हाँ.
7 लोग थे. और someone is saying his voice is still very low.
Okay.
तो चिल्ला के बात करूं तो
हाँ,
बोलोगे
you can.
क्या? तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था कि so there were 7 of us along with a dog in one room,
Oh
and
my God.
so basically it was 1 BHK, right? तो बाहर वाले उसमें क्या बोलते हैं लिविंग रूम में there were 3 other different men, like
Wow.
strangers who were living.
हम्म.
So
हम्म.
technically we were all struggling and all. We were happy. It was yes, a pure hustle, but it was
हाँ.
a very meaningful hustle. मतलब बहुत
Yeah.
मजा आया था because सब अपने लोग थे.
They
And
were all like struggling actors.
we were all
Somebody like
struggling.
aspiring actor, director,
Mostly,
writer.
yeah,
Mostly dancers or what?
we were mostly dancers and choreographers.
Dancers. सबके
So
सपने
yeah,
एक थे.
सबके सपने एक थे. सब लोग एक दूसरे को काम देते थे because हम सब एक साथ ही
Okay.
रह रहे थे.
नहीं, बॉम्बे का
तो
ये खासियत है कि ऑल स्ट्रगलर्स मीट एट वन प्लेस, है ना, और
यस,
एक ही ड्रीम, तो दे सपोर्ट ईच अदर.
yes, they support each other. That was the best part. Or
हम्म.
then I started what do you call, choreographing for reality shows. I called up, so मेरे लिए लीड
हम्म.
क्या था कि जो मैंने जस्ट डांस में जो कोरियोग्राफर्स ने मुझे सिखाया था, I
हाँ.
gave them a call. I asked them that is there any
हम्म.
work and stuff. तो वहां
हम्म.
से it started. My first work came from Vikramjeet Singh. He's a
ओके.
choreographer as well,
हाँ.
senior choreographer. Then he gave me my first gig. Then came
ओके.
Javed Sanadi. He gave me
हम्म.
reality shows, a lot of reality shows. So that's how my
अच्छा.
journey started as a choreographer. And एक एक शो खत्म करने के बाद आप दूसरे में चले जाते हो, फिर तीसरे में चले
चले
जाते
जाते.
हो. हाँ,
हाँ.
मतलब you get picked every time.
हम्म.
Also because the people have seen your work, they give you more work and all.
या.
So yeah, yes, Mohit, I'm also a big fan of yours. Sorry, that's one of my
हाँ,
friends.
you
Yeah,
are getting messages so much. Okay.
yeah, yes,
I'm
yes.
also
Hi,
reading.
Karina. Hi,
Yeah.
Karina. Yeah. तो anyway, तो वहाँ से करते करते my journey started as a choreographer.
Yeah.
I'll cut it a little short. खत्म सब कुछ खत्म
हम्म.
करने के बाद I got a call
हम्म.
for दिल दोस्ती डांस. तो
ओके.
मुझे मुझे पता नहीं था, एक्टिंग का तो एक भी
हाँ.
नहीं पता था मुझे. तो मैंने बोला
हाँ.
कि क्या करना है,
हाँ.
मतलब इसमें करना क्या है. So my
हम्म.
friend, one of my friend, his name is Chao. He's also a very good dancer. He
ओके.
said कि यार एक there's some audition going on for Dil Dosti
या.
Dance. It's a
या.
reality. It's a web show. It's
Somebody
a
sending
sorry
you love
serial.
from
Alright.
somebody. You have international fans also. Wow, Jason.
Yes. Hi guys.
Somebody
I
saying hi, love you, and okay, New
hey hi.
Zealand. Somebody saying sending you love from New Zealand. Wow,
Yeah.
great. You choreographed me, India's dancing superstar. Somebody saying
Yes. Hi Mohit.
Mohit
Hi.
Mathur. Okay,
Yes.
so
He's
let's
an amazing
continue.
actor also. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, amazing actor, dancer, choreographer also
yeah,
as well, and he's also made it
huh,
big in Bollywood industry. Yes.
yes.
Okay, so where was I? After
You're
finishing all
telling,
the after finishing the
yeah.
choreography and all, तो मुझे my friend Chow told me कि यार मुझे
Hmm.
बुलाया था audition के लिए, can you go for it because I don't want to act and all. मैंने कहा यार
Mm-hmm.
चलो लेट्स गो. अभी वो तो स्ट्रगलिंग डेज है, जो आ रहा है करके देख लेते हैं क्या होता है. लेफ्ट लेफ्ट राइट
Huh.
सेंटर. तो गए हम लोग और ऑडिशन दिया. तो फर्स्ट ऑडिशन
Hmm.
में आई गेव अराउंड 37 to 38 टेक्स. स्क्रिप्ट थमाया मेरे हाथ में, मोनोलॉग. मैंने
Oh
कहा
my God.
क्या करना है इसका.
Huh.
इज लाइक आप बस बोल दो ये पूरा चीज. मैंने कहा अच्छा.
Okay.
तो देखा आई वाज लाइक अच्छा. आई वाज लाइक
Huh.
अच्छा. तो आई गेव द होल मोनोलॉग. इज लाइक ये सब
Hmm.
सही है, इसमें ना
Hmm.
अभी थोड़ा इमोशन डालो. मेरे का वो क्या मतलब होता
Okay.
है. इमोशन तो डाला मैंने. लाइक नहीं एक ही इमोशन आ रहा है. मैंने कहा तो क्या इसमें क्या करना है, मुझे समझा नहीं. तो इज लाइक डू वन थिंग, जस्ट ट्राई सम. he told me some techniques
Hmm.
and I tried to do it. Obviously
Hmm.
एकदम से आ नहीं सकता था उस टाइम, ऑडिशन के टाइम
Hmm.
पे. तो
Hmm.
कर दिया, कैसे भी कर दिया 37 टेक्स करके. एंड माय डांसिंग वाज स्ट्रांग देन. तो आई
Okay.
वेंट इनटू दिल दोस्ती डांस देन. I was
Okay.
introduced me
And that was your first TV
my
show as
first TV show as an actor.
an actor.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And which year it was?
This was back in 2014. 2014
14.
beginning.
Okay. In
Yeah.
13 you came to Mumbai and 14 you got TV
2014.
show.
Yeah, TV
Okay.
series. So
Wow.
I was like, yeah.
And
And oh, I forgot to mention.
huh, yeah.
Simultaneously, I had auditioned for Jhalak Dikla Ja also as a choreographer.
Okay. Yeah.
अभी ऐसे था कि ये या ये. बट
Hmm.
मैंने सोचा झलक दिखला जा में अगर मैं फर्स्ट वीक में आउट हो गया तो. And I was like,
Huh.
but money is also good over there. But this is a completely new field. So I
Yes.
went with my guts and I went for Dil Dosti Dance. That's how, and
Dil Dosti.
I thank the stars कि
Mm-hmm.
Dil Dosti Dance किया, क्योंकि वहां से मैं actually my
Mm-hmm.
acting journey started. तो
Start हुआ.
हाँ, तो वहां से लेकर अब तक काफी हद तक कर
Hmm.
लिया मैंने. I've finished 2 films. I've finished 6 serials and 80 to
Yeah.
90 plus commercials I've done. So yeah.
Wow. And you also telling me that Farah Khan gave you one acting break for Happy New Year. So how did it happen? Like इसका भी एक story है कि
Oh yeah.
हाँ, you missed that
So
thing. I was
yeah, yes, yes,
like trying
yes.
to
No,
ask
because
you, yeah.
my thing would have gone
How
forever.
did
मतलब
like Happy
मतलब
New
नौ
Year
दस
with
बज जाते.
Shah Rukh Khan, the star? You
Yes,
got an opportunity to act with
yes.
him.
So
So how?
हाँ, so इसका क्या है, फंडा क्या था? So I was doing DID season 4, and Farah Khan had to
Yeah.
come for one of the judging. She came for one of the day for judging,
Okay.
and just after the shoot finished, she and her team came up to me. They were
Mm-hmm.
like, "Listen,
Mm-hmm.
do you want to be part of the film?" I
Mm-hmm.
was like, "Part of the Hi Courtney, do you want to be a part of the film?" I was like, "What film?" She's like, "There's a new film that I'm making. It's called Happy New Year. It has
Yeah.
I mean, the cast is Shah Rukh Khan and all." I'm like,
Mm-hmm.
"Yeah, I
Like for
would
a
love to
second, oh
be a
God,
part."
Shah Rukh
I'm
Khan.
like, I'm like, इसको ना मतलब
Am
ना
I
बोलो
dreaming
इसमें.
or it's
ये
reality?
बोलने की जरूरत क्यों है? मतलब ये पूछने
हाँ.
की जरूरत क्यों है? So I was like, yeah, of course I want to be a part of it. Then she was like,
Hmm.
okay, cool. So there is this thing. You are a gang, Korean gang and stuff like that, and you basically are the main villains in the show. And there's a lot of
Hmm.
fight sequence and all, and also dancing and all. I'm like, oh, cool, everything, all the
Okay.
boxes are checked. I'm like, I'm game for it.
Mm-hmm.
So we went ahead with the whole project. We went to Dubai to shoot. We were staying
Yeah.
at Atlantis and all.
Yeah.
And it was a crazy, crazy fun because not
Mm-hmm.
only I was acting a little bit, but it was I was assisting Farah Khan also in that project for one of the songs.
I like your earring. Somebody,
Hello?
Mansi
Can
Sharma.
can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Somebody was saying about your earring. I said, should you
Oh yeah,
say
yeah,
thank
yeah.
you?
Thank you. I love
No.
your earring. Okay, thanks, Mansi. Which toothpaste do you use? Colgate.
Colgate.
Yeah. So
Okay. Nice.
Farah Khan was like, "Chalo, let's."
Hmm.
So I was like, we went to Dubai. We finished with our Atlantis thing. We finished shooting. Then we came back to Bombay and we shot over here.
Mm-hmm.
The
Yeah.
experience was unreal. Like we had
Okay.
big people like Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, Boman Irani,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Abhishek Bachchan.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone was there. Like all the top A class actors were there, and
Okay.
I got to uh, spend time with them on screen and off screen as well because I
Okay.
was assisting. And
Uh-huh.
I love Farah Khan because of her wittiness. She
Yes.
um, she she
Do you remember any
she
funny moments
takes.
with her या with the team? कुछ ऐसा याद आ गया हो?
The day जिस दिन कोरियोग्राफी का टाइम हुआ था तो
हाँ.
यूजुअली शी इज एट हर जोन. तो बीच बीच में
Mm-hmm.
ना शी हैज अ लॉट ऑफ विटी कमेंट्स, शी हैज अ लॉट ऑफ विटी रिस्पॉन्स टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. तो ना
Yeah.
जब वो मजाक उड़ाते हैं ना तो बहुत
Hmm.
हंसी आती है, बहुत ज्यादा हंसी आती है. और मैंने मतलब और बुरा भी नहीं लगता, you know that she's
Mm-hmm.
taking your case, but बुरा नहीं लगता because it is
बुरा
very
नहीं
funny.
लगता.
She
हाँ.
says it in a very funny way, and I love her for that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes. और फिर Shahrukh Khan was there one day, and we were standing on set. I remember very
Mm-hmm.
nicely. It was early morning at 7 or 8 or something like that.
Okay.
Shah Rukh Khan was there. Deepika Padukone was there. There was a certain shot. There was a certain lift. These guys wanted to do.
Yeah.
तो ट्राई कर रहे थे तो हो रहा था, नहीं भी हो रहा था.
Mm-hmm.
तो Deepika was like told Shahrukh, I think because he was little bit short, that's why वो हो नहीं रहा. तो
अच्छा.
Shahrukh was like, Jason, come here. I was like, obviously you're gonna call me. So I went, like, just do this lift with her now. I
हाँ.
carried her. I did that lift with her.
Okay.
Like, and हो गया था, obviously हो गया था. और plus मतलब, ना, I had to do it वरना बहुत
Yes.
ना कट जाता. तो I had to do it और हो गया था बहुत आराम से. तो he said कि देखो it's not that, it's just the way
Mm-hmm.
it has to be. So
Mm-hmm.
that was one moment that I remember. Then
Okay.
the next time, so after the whole project was over, he's a
Huh.
gem of a person, Shah Rukh Khan, obviously very very charming. Um,
Mm-hmm.
Even guys can fall for him, like I'm me being one of them. And the
Okay.
last time I met him was in Anand El Rai's house.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, he's the producer for. He has
Hmm.
his own production house called Color Yellow. I did this film
Okay.
called Happy Phir Bhag Jayegi with Sonakshi
Okay.
Sinha. तो
Sonakshi Sinha.
हाँ, तो वो रिलीज होने से पहले एक गेट टुगेदर होता है ना, तो सबको बुलाया.
Mm-hmm.
तो
Hmm.
आनंद एल राय वाज लाइक, अच्छा शाहरुख इज कमिंग 12 बजे.
Okay.
कहा, अरे यार ये क्या कर दिया आपने. मैंने कहा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, cool. मुझे नहीं, मतलब he was just addressing to some few people.
Mm-hmm.
So he came. So Shah Rukh Khan is the guy who comes late
Hmm.
in the night and
Hmm.
leaves the last. Matlab he'll come
Hmm.
at around 12, 1, but he will be
Okay.
there till 7, 8 o'clock, 6, 7, 8 o'clock.
Okay.
So yeah, so he came. He was to people who did not know him. He was introducing
Hmm.
himself, which was,
Hmm.
this is just a sign of being classy and being
Yeah.
so good.
Yeah.
So he came and he met me and he was like, Jason, Happy New Year.
Oh, he remembered
Uh,
you. Your
I was
name.
like, मैं बाहर से ऐसे था,
Hmm.
मैं अंदर से
Yes.
नहीं, ये नहीं हो
It
सकता.
was a like
And
moment for you. Shahrukh
moment for
remembers
me,
your
and I was
name
like,
and he calls you by
और मैं,
Jason.
हाँ, अंदर से मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ, और बाहर से मैं like, yes,
Hmm. Yes.
yes, you
Controlling my
remember,
emotions.
you remember
Better,
very
yeah.
well. So he called Anand sir. Anand, he was with me in Happy New Year, and he
Huh.
was part of the Korean team, and we shot in Atlantis and all that. I was like, yeah,
Hmm.
matlab, such a big star. It's
Hmm.
just, you still remember each and every character. You remember people
Hmm.
who you do not meet in a normal day. It's a very big
Hmm.
thing that someone like him
Yes.
remembers me. So that was a surreal moment, and I really cherish
Hmm.
that, and I really love him for that, and I respect him for that. Yes.
Yes. So, Jason, you have worked in like TV shows, TV commercials, and you're part of like feature film also. So, how do you
Yes.
differentiate all this platform? Like as an actor, how
Mhm.
you look at like this platform, how it differ from this one, and which one you enjoy the most?
Well, so ads, TV commercials, TV commercials, TV serials,
TV
and
shows
films.
and feature film. Oh yeah.
Yeah, all three mediums platforms are very different. Um,
Mm-hmm.
I, in general, enjoy the whole process. I, in general, enjoy the whole uh, integrity and the whole process of going through the filmmaking and getting that result. You know what I mean? I
Mm-hmm.
love
Mm-hmm.
what lens they're putting. I love how the camera is placed, the framing is done, how the
Mm-hmm.
lights are being shot, and how everyone who are
Mm-hmm.
experts in their own fields are working
Mm-hmm.
towards one goal, that
Yeah.
one product, for that 30
Mm-hmm.
seconds product, or for one episode. So I love that
That effort
as an actor.
matters, है ना?
The
Mm-hmm.
effort matters, and you should always respect, and you should always know that the effort that is being put by the other person, you should understand that
Mm-hmm.
also. Like everyone
Yes.
is doing their own part, everyone is doing
Own
their own
part.
work.
Yeah.
So you also need to do
Yeah.
that. So anyway,
Mm-hmm.
it's the process that I enjoy. Ads are
Mm-hmm.
usually 30 seconds ad. So the
Mm-hmm.
acting bit has to be very fast. You need to come to the point.
Yes.
It's like that because
Mm.
it's hardly 30 seconds. The television mein,
Yeah.
it's the product also. Usme 30 seconds mein bhi product aata hai. Then you
Uh-huh.
have few
Means you
matlab
have to
uska
convince the people like in 30 seconds. Ads
in
have
30
only
seconds.
30
Yeah.
second time, but you have to convince like the
Yeah.
entire people
Yes.
who are
So
watching the ad This is
Yes.
also challenging. Yeah.
Very challenging, very challenging.
Yeah.
That is one for TV commercials. Then you come for
Hmm.
TV shows. TV shows.
Yeah.
So basically, in one day, if you, like, uh, it has to be telecasted tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
general, TV shows need around 19 to 20 scenes. They need to shoot in
Yeah.
one day. 19 या
Yes.
20 या 21 मतलब ऐसे
And
scenes
that
shoot
is
करने रहते हैं
also
एक
a
ही दिन
task
के अंदर.
to
It is a
remember
big
all the
task
dialogues.
because
There's a task.
yeah, there are times where the
Yeah.
dialogues is been writing, and we are
Yes.
standing the uh, on the setup right now. मतलब
Yeah.
कैमरा सामने है, लाइट्स ऑन है,
Hmm.
सब रेडी है, सब लोग वेट कर रहे हैं तुम्हारे
Hmm.
लिए, और स्क्रिप्ट आता है
Hmm.
गर्मा गर्म ऐसे, तुम पढ़ दो.
गर्मा गर्म.
सर ये तो बहुत सारे है. कोई बात नहीं, तू दो दो लाइन करके कर ले अभी के लिए, बिकॉज
हाँ,
वी
कर
हैव टू
रहे.
टेलीकास्ट, देयर इज अ टेलीकास्ट फॉर टुमारो.
Yeah.
I was like,
Hmm.
ठीक है, कैसे भी, I was like, just give me 5 minutes, ये करते करते, and we do the scene. So that is a different
Yes.
fun, that's a different feel
Yeah.
altogether, television.
Yes.
Now we come to films.
Yeah.
Films, usually you get 3 months,
Hmm.
1 month, 6 months to prepare your character. So it is more
Hmm.
time consuming, but also
Hmm.
very creatively you are involved in it. So that's a
Yes.
different feel altogether. I enjoy all of it.
Hmm.
Yeah, because
Hmm.
I am acting in general.
Yes.
So yeah.
So, Jason, now let's move on to our rapid fire round. It's also very interesting. I'll ask some rapid fire questions and you have to answer this. Are you
I have
ready?
to answer this. अरे यार.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है.
Okay,
Rapid
ready?
fire. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
My first question to you is describe yourself in 3 words. Tick, tick, one.
Come on. Come on. um, creative,
Okay.
genuine,
Genuine. Wow.
loving.
Loving. Your biggest addiction.
Oh fuck. Sorry.
Addiction.
Gaming.
Gaming. What makes you smile?
What makes me smile? Like if I'm able to make other people smile and laugh,
And
that
it makes you smile.
that makes me
Cool.
smile, because
And
yeah.
when I dance, I look like
Well, I look like a fool, man. No, I look like
no,
I look like I'm trying.
no, you can see them.
Okay,
But
okay. So
so people are
I look
saying
like
you are
a
cute. Please repeat your lines. You are getting so many loves and care. Oh God. Uh,
hi guys, hi guys.
3 things you would change about yourself. 3 things you want to change
Yeah.
about
Yeah,
yourself. Oh, it's
I
very
look
difficult. Huh?
no.
No.
There are too many. There are too many.
Okay.
I need to stop looking at the mirror too much.
Okay.
मतलब तुम पार्टी में जाओगे और मैं सबसे पहले मिरर
आप
देखता हूँ.
मिरर को ही देखते रहते
मिरर को देखते रहते. I'm one of
Scary.
those guys जिसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं ना सब लोग कि अरे वो पार्टी में एक बंदा हमेशा मिरर देखे, वो मैं हूँ. वो मैं हूँ.
Okay. Second.
Yeah. I hate looking at the mirror. I want to change eating unhealthy items. You know what I mean? I eat a lot of unhealthy items.
Whether you
So
eat junk foods a lot.
oh yeah. A lot,
Okay.
मतलब quite a bit.
And the
So
third one
I want to change
is somebody is
myself.
asking again and again when you are getting married.
I
Somebody
want to
asking you
change.
to, yeah. Continue after that. I will ask you.
Yeah. I want to change me being an overthinker.
Okay.
I be very over analytic to certain situation, और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा I think too much about a certain
Okay.
कि आज उसको ये कैसे लगेगा, अगर उसको ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा तो उसको ये तो अच्छा लगेगा, अगर इसको ये भी अच्छा नहीं लगा तो फिर इसका क्या होगा. So I get into all that
Okay.
stupidity, और last में हमेशा कुछ होता ही नहीं है. You know what I mean?
Okay.
It ends up with nothing only, basically.
Okay, you want to
It's
change
funny.
that. Okay.
Yeah, I
The
want to change that
next
definitely.
one, one dialogue in Hindi.
What?
One dialogue in Hindi. Anything. It could be your own or filmy. What comes to you right now? Rapid fire. It's just a line in Hindi. Your favorite dialogue.
Oh shit. 1 second then. यार ऐसे तो मुझे
यार कुछ भी बोल दो हिंदी में एक में फिल्मी डायलॉग वो खुद का ही बना दो.
1 सेकंड दो यार प्लीज 1 सेकंड दो अ, मेरा नाम है गोगो कुछ तो
Oh,
लेकर जाऊंगा
cool, cool. What
खानदानी
is the
चोर हूँ
first thing
खानदानी
you
चोर
क्या?
खानदानी चोर हूँ मैं कुछ तो लेके जाऊंगा
Okay. It was
या
from which movie? Do you
अंदाज अपना
remember?
अपना कम ऑन
Okay.
प्लीज कृष्णा आई विल किल यू फ्रॉम द
I'm
फोन
already
टू द फोन
no, I'm not.
I'm already dead.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, I was supposed to say like that.
yeah.
What is the first thing you do when you get up in the morning? I think I know right now you have said something about some. What is the first thing you do in the
Uh,
morning
First
when you
thing,
get
when
up?
as soon as I wake up, I go to the toilet. After that, I need some
There's a mirror
caffeine.
there. Mirror there.
Obviously, there's
Is
a
there?
mirror there. वो उसमें
I
सब
was
कुछ
thinking
cover
you
हो
will
जाता
say
है
I.
ना उसमें सब कुछ cover हो
Okay.
जाता है
No, no. You said I stare at mirror like. So I said, ki the first thing you do after get up, like if you go to the
First I need to go
washroom
to
and there is a
WC first
mirror,
I need to go
you
to
will stare.
WC हाँ पहले WC
Okay.
जाना है उसके बाद mirror है
Huh.
उसके बाद थोड़ा caffeine
Okay.
and then
Yeah.
I need to think about what to eat because
Yeah.
I need to cook, right? So that's what.
So well done. It's done.
Am I
Rapid
am
fire
I
round.
am I
Yeah, you
winning
will.
anything? Am I winning like
Yeah,
a?
Bollywood Couch will give you hampers. Definitely, I think they will
Is it a car?
give you.
Is it a red car?
Maybe which
Is it
brand you
which
want to
brand?
mention? We will.
Are
Yeah.
anything? Yeah, Audi, Ferrari can work for me. Can
Okay.
work wonders. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. We will manage.
Okay, cool.
So moving on to next question again. This is rapid fire is done. Now, one serious question. What would
Okay.
you say about the stereotype of Bollywood film industry regarding casting of actors having Oriental features? Like most of the time, they are typecasted, and like,
Yeah.
what would you say?
Oh,
It happens for Northeastern actors also. They
yeah, yeah,
face.
yeah, yeah.
I'm
I
from
know, I know.
Northeast, so
Okay.
sometimes it happens.
Yes.
Yeah.
Basically, there was a time where Northeastern looks or Oriental face only had tailor-made
Mm-hmm.
roles. People
Mm-hmm.
would be like, अच्छा ये कैरेक्टर है तो यही बैठेगा इसमें ऐसा है
Mm-hmm.
कैरेक्टर तो यही नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न वाला लुक ही चाहिए मतलब ऐसे ऐसे इट वाज अ वेरी स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ
Mm-hmm.
रोल you used to get but with the change in time, with the change in platforms like web series
Yeah.
has been introduced,
Yeah.
it has opened a lot of doors, I must say.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but regardless, the key to everything
Mm.
is your craft. The
Yeah.
key to any of this problem that why are we getting typecasted and all comes
Mm.
boils down to the craft of your art.
Mm.
If you're good
Mm-hmm.
at it, you have the power to let the casting director or the director envision you
Mm.
in that in a
Mm.
different character as well like जैसे Jason can play a Raj also मतलब you've done a very good audition
Yes.
he'll be like यार ये
Yes.
तो राज भी खेल सकता है ये
Huh.
तो राहुल भी खेल सकता है यार इसमें तो राहुल के लिए
Mm.
ट्राई करो so you need to give
Mm.
you need to prove in such a way कि you
Mm-hmm.
need to make them imagine कि मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ I know how to do
Correct.
this
Correct.
and you need to show
Mm-hmm.
it to them so they also need
Mm-hmm.
to like open up right now which they are
Yes.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
but again the key to everything is persistent you need to
Mm-hmm.
keep growing as an actor keep doing
Mm-hmm.
workshops keep observing people keep
Mm-hmm.
learning new techniques to acting. You know, आजकल क्या है, आजकल क्या वैसे ही चलता आ रहा है. Acting is one job where anyone can come, anyone can audition,
Yes.
anyone बैठे बैठे आ सकते हैं. Problem is
Yes.
how you stand out in thousands and thousands of people. तो मेरा हमेशा एक ही मंत्रा रहा है कि अगर मुझे ऑडिशन स्क्रिप्ट मिले how am I going to do it differently?
Yes.
That is my only mantra कि चलो अगर 4 लाइंस भी है अभी तो 4 लाइंस को मैं अलग कैसे बोलूंगा, या वही कैरेक्टर के दायरे में रह के मैं अलग कैसे बोलूंगा इसको. So that pretty much plays good with me, like कि अरे
Okay.
because when the audition guy is seeing, he's like हाँ ऐसे कुछ अलग किया है, उसको बुलाओ, उसको second level के लिए बुलाओ, something like that. So
Yes.
don't worry about hardships. Don't worry. I have seen so many failures. I have been rejected so many times. I've been not fit for so many things. But that didn't stop me. That just made me go harder. So
It makes you
persistent.
strong, go harder, yeah.
Yeah. And also with each and every audition, you're playing so many characters. By the time you go to the 10th audition, you're already pretty strong. You already have some tools inside you. So always go for auditions. If you
Okay.
really love this acting field,
Yeah.
you just need to मतलब I know stereotypical होते हैं बहुत सारे, but आजकल खुल गए हैं, मतलब बहुत सारे platforms खुल गए हैं. Your
Okay.
your craft is going to help you. मतलब लंबे रेस का घोड़ा बोलते हैं ना, तो तुम्हारा वो
हाँ.
एक्टिंग बिट ही करवा सकता है अगर तुम्हारा
Yeah.
क्राफ्ट स्ट्रांग हो तो.
Yes. That is the
मतलब
one
तुम
thing.
तुम किसके लिए पैसे ले रहे हो? That one thing that you have is your acting bit. If that is strong, they can cast you
No one can
anywhere.
stop you. है ना?
Yeah, no one
Then
can
no
stop
one
you
can
because
stop
I have
you.
done
Yes.
a lot of
Yeah.
I have done a lot of hi Reena. I have done a lot of what do you call series and
Yeah.
ads and all where I'm not playing a northeastern. I am playing a general Indian guy. मतलब मेरी जो पत्नी है या मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है is an Indian, and we are
Indian.
having a normal Indian house. Everything is Indian. So
Okay.
yeah,
I think body is
it's the
also
way.
changing. Huh? They are accepting like actors from other side, and the features
Yeah.
doesn't matter. They are looking for
Yes.
the how they act. If he speaks
Yes.
Hindi well, knows the character, then you can do this character.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not like
Yeah.
typecasted. And I hope in
Yeah.
future
Yeah. Yeah.
और भी अच्छा होगा कि the oriental features ये सब
Yes.
matter
Yes.
करेगा नहीं. The only thing
Yes.
that would
Yes.
matter is acting. Yeah.
Yes, because in the next, I
Yeah.
believe in the next 10 years or in next 5 to 10 years, there won't be
The
any
Bollywood industry.
superstars in the Bollywood
Yes.
industry. I don't want
All,
even to call it, I don't even want to call it Bollywood.
already it has
Indian film
started.
industry.
You can see the web series,
Yeah.
how the actors are coming out. They're like,
Yeah.
oh my God, such a good actors. They are not stars, but good actors. And they have huge fan followers. You know?
Yes,
So
yes,
in
yes.
future,
So
I
in the,
think,
yes,
yeah,
in the next 5 to 10 years, in the Indian film
definitely.
industry, there will be only actors, actors,
Actors.
actors. Yes.
Actors.
There
Yeah.
won't be like
Uh,
superstars.
yes.
You know what I
And
mean?
Jason, somebody asking you, Munmi asked you,
Yep.
do you know how to cook and what's your favorite dish?
Oh, I can cook anything, yeah. I can cook. I cook mutton curry
Anything?
really well.
Wow.
Mutton curry I can
Okay.
cook very well. I can cook chicken curry very well.
Hmm.
Noodles I can make very well. अरे
Hmm.
यार दाल चावल and all तो obviously आते ही है.
Hmm.
Exquisite
And
माल में देखो तो
Bhargav asking you, secret of your sweetness and glow. How you are so maintained, gym or yoga? Any diet plan?
my त्वचा. Um, hmm. Well,
Your diet plan? You do yoga or
no,
gym?
I started with this intermittent fasting. It's a
Hmm.
14-hour fasting. कि अगर आपने 8 बजे खाया या 9 बजे खाया, your next meal should be if it's 9 o'clock, so it's 9 to 9 will be 12, so 10, 11.
Okay.
So your next meal should be at 11 a.m. So you can
Okay.
do a 14-hour or you can do a 16-hour fasting. So that is
Wow.
working for me a little bit. and usually try to eat as early as possible, मतलब 7:30-8 बजे तक, ताकि your next
Hmm.
meal can be around 10-11 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
And yes, gymming has to be there.
Hmm.
योगा तो मैं करता नहीं हूँ, मैं योगा वाला बंदा हूँ भी नहीं,
बंदा
मतलब
हूँ
जिम,
नहीं।
हाँ मतलब बंदा हो तो मतलब जिम थोड़ा सा चाहिए मुझे, हार्डकोर. एंड
Okay.
त्वचा तो आई डोंट नो यार, आई थिंक आई हैव टू आस्क मॉम एंड डैड. क्या
Okay.
खिलाया था बचपन में, कौन सी जड़ी बूटी खिलाई थी?
कौन सी जड़ी बूटी? And
Yeah.
somebody asked you, I forgot her or his name. He was asking about your marriage when you are getting married.
Oh,
Say, I'm too
soon,
young to get married.
very soon.
Very soon.
Yeah, very soon. Probably in this year only.
This
Let's see.
year, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. We also like wishing you like
Thank you.
congratulations, and
Thank you.
it should be like great one.
Yes, yes.
And
I really hope कि लॉकडाउन ना हो यार, प्लीज खत्म करो
हाँ, बस
यार,
नहीं होगा,
प्लीज.
आपकी शादी के बाद ही होगा लॉकडाउन अभी।
हाँ, या फिर हम लोग कर ही देंगे. मतलब अभी तो कि चलो लॉकडाउन के बहाने एटलीस्ट हम लोग तो आ जाएंगे and we'll finish it off only.
Yes.
I know. In a way, it's a
So,
good thing
but
also.
yeah, I know.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
good.
yes.
So where do you see yourself in next 10 years?
यार सच बताऊं, ऐसे कोई गोल
Hmm.
नहीं है, because everything that came
Hmm.
to me, I just went with the flow. But I
Hmm.
want to be that comfortable कि मैं दो बारी सोचना नहीं पड़े मुझे कुछ खरीदने को, बेसिक चीज भी.
Hmm.
I'm not saying
Hmm.
कि घर या जायदाद and घर and land and all that. I'm not saying that.
Hmm.
I'm saying in general,
Hmm.
like मुझे कुछ पसंद है, I can just buy it off. I want to be that
Hmm.
comfortable. I want to be
Hmm.
that comfortable कि even if I'm sleeping, I'm earning. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
कि मैंने
Hmm.
ऐसे investments किए हैं जिसमें मैं
Hmm.
अगर काम भी ना करूँ तो मुझे पैसे मिल जाए. So I want to be
Okay.
comfortable. Yeah. ऐसा
Okay.
नहीं है कि मुझे रिच बंदा बनना है एंड ऑल,
नहीं।
एंड मतलब
But
कि
decent life हो, जिसमें इनकम भी है, अपना पैशन
यस,
भी है साथ में, and like
यस.
such
और
life. It's
दो
not
बारी
like
सोचना
भाग
भी
दौड़
नहीं,
वाली
हाँ दो,
जिंदगी।
हाँ हाँ,
हाँ,
दो बार सोचना भी नहीं है मुझे कि ये चीज के
हाँ।
लिए फिर मुझे ये कट करना पड़ेगा, मुझे वो ऐसे नहीं करना
हम्म।
मुझे. आई जस्ट वांट टू बी कंफर्टेबल इन
Comfortable. That's cool. And any message to our audience? कुछ आप बोलना चाहोगे अब?
लाइफ. Regarding acting, or just in general?
Anything. If you want to say, there are so many fan followers and they're asking question, and we couldn't answer all the like questions. So
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
कुछ भी आप अपनी तरफ से अपने
um,
ऑडियंस को कुछ बता दो.
मैंने अभी एक कोई पढ़ा था, एक कोट पढ़ा था.
हम्म.
You didn't come this far just to come this far.
Okay.
Very interesting quote.
हम्म.
Just simply implies कि मतलब तुम यहाँ तक आए हो, मतलब ये तुम्हारा अंत नहीं है, तुम्हें और
हम्म.
आगे बढ़ना है.
आगे बढ़ना है. वाह.
So it's a very deep and interesting thing to see
Yes.
and to know. So yeah, and also please be persistent in what you like, in
हम्म.
what you do. And the best
हम्म.
thing is, and the best, मतलब half of your weightage is gone if you enjoy what you're doing.
Yeah.
तो अगर तुम enjoy कर रहे हो तो तुम्हें पैसे तो वैसे ही
हम्म.
आ रहे हैं, but enjoy करो तो that's the main mantra, main funda of
Yeah.
having a happy and positive life.
Positive life. And any special message for Bollywood Couch?
Um, I would say that I'm waiting for my red Ferrari
Okay.
or
And did
red
you enjoy
Audi.
today's session? Like,
I
did
loved
you
it. I
enjoy?
loved it. I loved it.
Okay.
I loved it, Krishna.
Okay.
Thank
We'll
you
call you
for
again and see you like very soon.
yes, yes, yes. Thank you for inviting me to this talk show. And
Mhm.
I really enjoyed your questions. I really enjoyed the company that we had. And I really hope forward that we have a chat soon again. And
Yeah.
possibly, I just finished a film for Bosco. He's a choreographer
Okay.
in the industry, really big ace choreographer in Bollywood industry, Indian film industry.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
just come out with a film called Rocket Gang. So
Rocket Gang. This is your
yeah,
upcoming project. You have
it's my
like
upcoming
this is your
project.
okay.
Yes. So it's a story about 5 friends, and ये
Mm-hmm.
March या Feb में release होगा, theatrical release. Um,
Hmm.
yeah, possibly then we will catch up again. Or
Yeah, sure. And
yes,
Jason, it was a pleasure talking to you. It was very
yes.
fun. We loved you, and we
Thank
wish
you,
you luck from Bollywood Couch in for your
thank
future
you,
projects and your future life. So
thank you,
thank you so much for giving your valuable time for us, and see you soon. Okay?
thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Bollywood
Okay. Bye
Couch.
bye. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Jitika. Bye bye, bye bye.
Bye.